For over 25 years, Senecom has proudly brought the latest and greatest in IT solutions to the people of Victoria.
During this time, we have grown from strength to strength by partnering with the top brands such as HP, Acer, Lenovo, MSI, ASUS and Apple, delivering a high level of customer service and advice, and now by extending our offering to New South Wales.
Whenever you have a device that is experiencing issues, the team at Senecom have you covered. Simply visit any of our locations and speak to our expert staff who will be able to swiftly assess the problem.
Whether a quick fix at your local store to a major repair within our well-equipped Maribyrnong Repair Centre, our fully qualified staff will return your device to its previous performance with quick turnaround times.
For reliable computer repair services you can trust, come and see us at Senecom.